Every cookout needs a potato salad, so swap that bland, mushy one for this stellar homemade potato salad instead. Hey everyone, it's Erin from wellplated.com, and I believe in healthy recipes that are easy, budget-friendly, and that your family will love. You want to bring something special to a potluck with family and friends, and while everyone loves potato salad, in theory, so many of them out there are mayo-based, bland, and goopy. Not this recipe. It is the best healthy potato salad ever, thanks to one sneaky swap. Let's get started. Place the eggs and potatoes each in their own pot and cover them with about an inch of water. Set the water to a boil, and then we want to do something special to the potatoes. We are going to salt the water really liberally. This is the one and only time that flavor can get all the way into the potatoes. Think salty like the sea. Hard-boiled eggs. There's a million different ways to study to do this. This is the best. Bring the water to a boil, turn off the heat, then let them sit for exactly 8 minutes. While that magic happens, we make our dressing. No mayo. This healthy potato salad is made with Greek yogurt. It's creamy, tangy, and a perfect swap. Liven it up with a touch of Dijon mustard. This adds zip and just makes me happy because I have German heritage, and it's kind of a nod to German potato salad. Richen it with just a little bit of olive oil, and then adding a little bit of white vinegar for some bite. Celery salt, that is the ingredient that will have everyone asking you for the recipe, and black pepper, of course. Now we're going to add some green onion. You don't need to finely chop it since it's going into the food processor anyway. A few big pieces will do the job. Same story with the garlic. The easiest way to peel garlic is to lay it down on its side, put a knife on top, and then boop! Give it a little whack, and that will loosen the peel and you can take it right off. Again, no need for a fine mince, just big pieces here. Stop and smell. Gotta love that garlic. Put on our lid and then we blend it. I do not get the food processor dirty except for special occasions, and this potato salad is special. If you don't have a food processor, this will come together nicely in the blender as well. Look at that beautiful green color. Set that aside. Let's go see what's happening on the stove. Our potatoes are boiling away and our eggs have been sitting for 8 minutes, which means it is time to plunge them into an ice bath to stop their cooking. Ice bath is just a really fancy word for a big mixing bowl full of ice water. Your potatoes are going to take between 10 to 20 minutes. These are small, so they're done in about 10. As soon as they pierce easily with a fork, they're good. Drained our potatoes, and now here is the secret to potato salad with a lot of flavor. You want to touch them just as soon as you can handle them safely. These are piping hot, so I'm going to move fast. Leave the chunks pretty big. I cut them into halves or quarters. Pour on about 3/4 of the dressing to start. It's going to look like a lot, but these potatoes are thirsty. And since they are warm, remember that's the key tip, they will drink up more of the flavor than they would if they were cold. Set these aside to rest for 10 minutes to drink up more of that dressing while we chop our mix-ins. Doing some celery adds a little bit of that crunch and that classic potato salad flavor that you just gotta have. Now we are going to dice our hard-boiled eggs. Just a nice chunky cut is fine. Don't stress over the pieces being uniform or perfect. Everybody goes into the bowl. Whoop! This is a lot of potato salad, but you know what? I like a lot of potato salad and I never have any left over, so go ahead and do the big batch. Capers. Oh, that's right, your potato salad just got a little gourmet. They add a nice brininess and saltiness that, like the celery salt, makes this potato salad something special. At this point, you want to judge for doneness. I think this could use a little more dressing because everybody loves an extra creamy potato salad. This is Not Your Mama's potato salad. Using Greek yogurt not only makes this better for sitting in the sun, but it makes the salad creamy but still a little bit light and bright. Combine that with the layers of flavor we have going on here, from the celery salt to the Dijon to that little bit of the capers for brininess. This potato salad is truly something special that your friends are gonna ask you to bring every single time. Now at this point it can stay in the fridge for a couple hours before the party, but I gotta make sure that it is seasoned just so. Make sure I get a big old bite of potato in there. I mean, creamy carbs, who doesn't love this? Now that is well plated.